Now we are going to discuss the leftover topics in this chapter. Universal indicator. It is a mixture of several indicators which we are using to know the given solution is acidic or basic or neutral. By using the universal indicator, different colors will be obtained when it is tested with acidic solution, dark red color, basic solution dark purple color, neutral means green color. By that we can identify the given solution is acid or a base or a neutral substance. Next, acid rain. If the rain water is having pH less than 5.6, it is said to be as acid rain. It is harmful to the aquatic life and the plants and important monuments. If the rainwater is having less than 5.6 pH value, if it goes into the water bodies, it may kill fishes and other aquatic life. If the same acid rain falls on the plants, we used to get very less yield. Acid rain can able to corrode the important monuments like Taj Mahal and all. If the saliva is having the pH less than 5.5, it leads to tooth decay. So whenever the bacteria combines with leftover food in the mouth and it releases more organic acids, those organic acids can able to destroy the layer of uppermost layer of the tooth called enamel, and then it leads to tooth decay. To prevent the tooth decay, we used to use the basic type of toothpaste. Antacid is a substance which we are using when the indigestion taken place. Normally, for a healthy human being, HCl will be released in the stomach, the food. At the time of indigestion, more HCl will be released. Because of that, we used to get pain and irritation. To counteract that, we are taking some antacid tablets. So they are basic in nature. When they react with acid like HCl, they neutralize that and we used to get the pain relief. For that, there is an activity with methyl orange. Let us take hydrochloric acid in a test tube, add few drops of methyl orange to that. The solution changes into red color. When we add antacid tablet to the same solution, immediately the color of the solution will be changed into yellow. This indicates neutralization taken place. Because of this activity, immediately the patient gets relief from the pain. Plants grow well in the healthy soil. Whether the soil is healthy, suitable for the growth of the plants or not, there is an activity. Let us take one test tube. Okay. Let us take a test tube and take 2 grams of soil and 5 ml of water, distilled water to be added, and shake it thoroughly, leave it undisturbed for few minutes. Then you go for filtration. Then the filtrate to be collected in that. Let us use the indicator and then know that whether the soil is acidic or basic. By knowing about the color, we can identify the given soil is acidic or basic or neutral. Basing on that, agricultural scientists, they will suggest the farmers to add acidic type of fertilizer or basic fertilizer or any neutral fertilizer. Family of salts which are having similar cation means positive charge or similar anion negative charge and grouped under one family. Earlier we have discussed regarding sodium family of salts. In that we have discussed regarding NaCl common salt and washing soda Na2CO3 and baking soda NaHCO3. Next, strength of salts. Here also one activity will be there. Let us take distilled water in different test tubes and here different salts were given. NaCl and aluminum chloride and ammonium chloride, copper sulfate and sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate and sodium acetate. These are all the different salts. Let them dissolve in individually dissolve in distilled water in different test tubes, and you test it with pH, universal pH indicator, and we can come to know that whether the salt is acidic in nature or basic in nature or neutral in nature. If we take a strong acid and a strong base, we used to get the salt like NaCl, which is neutral in nature. And if the combination of a weak acid and a strong base means whatever the salt obtained, it is basic in nature. If we take very strong acid and a weak base, ultimately whatever the product obtained is, it is acidic in nature. Like that we can justify that whether the given salt solution is acidic or basic or neutral. Rock salt, which is available in the land, and we can able to obtain it like how we are getting the coal by mining. In the same manner we can able to get the rock salt, which is nothing but NaCl. Brine, which is nothing but aqueous solution of NaCl. Aqueous means sodium chloride. When it is dissolved in water, we are calling that solution as brine solution. Here, when we take that brine solution in a beaker, and if you start keeping 2 electrodes and then connecting these 2 electrodes to the battery, and electricity is allowed to pass, 2 materials are obtained. One is chlorine and other one is NaOH. This process we are calling it as chlor-alkali process. Let us learn about bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is made by using chlorine gas when it is sent into the dry slaked lime, which is nothing but CaOH twice. Then we used to get that CaOCl2, which is the formula for bleaching powder. Plaster of Paris, we can able to make this plaster of Paris by taking gypsum. Here CaSO4 2H2O is the formula for gypsum, and if you maintain the temperature 373 degrees Kelvin, and then slowly you are able to get that calcium sulfate hemihydrate plus 1.5 water molecules. This only we are calling it as plaster of Paris. Formula is CaSO4 half H2O, or hemihydrated copper calcium sulfate is also called as plaster of Paris, which we are using to give some sort of strength to the broken bones. Crystallization, purification of solid substance by dissolving it in the appropriate solvent. See, universal solvent, you know that water is a universal solvent. Next to that we are using in the pharmaceutical industries C2H5OH ethyl alcohol. So here we need to remember that in which solvent you can able to dissolve. Then recollecting the solid substance in its pure form, it is said to be as recrystallization.